Do you enjoy creating innovative short videos which are known as Reels? If yes, then this latest information might make your day. Instagram has swept the world by storm in a couple of months with its sketchy short-form video content known as Reels. Creators have flocked to the platform to leverage and take advantage of this incredible feature. Instagram's parent company, Facebook, has also come up with a similar feature on its platform. Yes, you heard that right. Facebook users will be able to take advantage of Reels. According to the social media giant, the feature will be available for iOS and Android users in the United States. Reels and Instagram Stipple lets users make and share short-form video segments with the rest of the world. The debut of the experience on Facebook will aid both new and established creators to grow and reach new audiences. Users could use music, audio effects, and other components to create Reels on Facebook. Reels will be available in the newsfeed and in groups for users to view. When viewing a reel on Facebook, user will be able to follow the creator and like and comment on the video. According to Facebook, Reels will allow creators to reach out to new audiences rather than simply their existing fans. User will be able to find Reels depending on their preferences and what is currently trending. Moreover, Instagram users will be able to share Reels to Facebook as well. If you live in India and use Facebook, you must not worry about the Reels feature because in India, Reels are available for selected users. So we would recommend you quickly check the app and see if you are one of them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned with Propel Guru.